today I have another makeup tutorial using the Sunrise Impressionism from Focallure. This is the makeup look I created. I wanted something not that complicated, and I think this is super easy to achieve. Like, you can totally skip the actual cut crease and go straight with the lighter matte shade and kind of cut the crease and then go with the glitter on top, and that's it. I don't know, to me this was super easy to create. It looks sophisticated but is not complicated. As I said, it's super simple. Skip the cut crease, skip the wing liner if you feel like so, whatever. I do love these lashes. These are from Sheglam and they don't have name, numbers, whatever. It says, it says magic long lasting, well, 24 hours. Whatever. Mega volume, multi-layered, perfect radiant. They look like this. They are not that full, as you can see. It has a lot of gaps in between the actual lashes, but they are super long, as you can see, super long. And it kind of gives me that romantic vibe. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look using the Sunrise eyeshadow palette from Focallure, then keep on watching. I've been so robotic.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start? Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shone. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time.
Alright, so this is the finished look. I tried to do something with my hair, but it didn't work out. Apparently, I don't know how to braid anymore. I mean, I was never good at doing those tight braids. So yeah, I attempted to do that. Don't mind that. That's why I pull up my chair a little bit higher so you can see that. But from far looks kinda cute, like whatever. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down below what do you think, if you think this is super easy, because to me it's so easy. I don't know. I know there's a lot of people that don't actually know how to cut a crease, but I hope this video inspires you to try more and more until you achieve a cut crease. Okay, cut crease is my thing. I don't know, I love cut creases. So let me know down below what you guys think about this makeup look. If you want me to create more makeup looks with this sunrise eyeshadow palette and everything I used in today's video, I'm going to have them listed down below, but you saw mostly all the products I used are from Focallure. And I don't know if you guys watched my previous video, this came broken and I fixed it with a little bit of alcohol. It looks okay, but I don't know how much it will last because it's already moving. Anyway, so yeah, I fixed this highlight. I love it on my face. Like, it's so beautiful. This is the Fantasy Land. One more thing I want to mention and I'm out. Today I used the eye primer from Anastasia and I noticed that everything looks okay on my lids. I don't know if you guys watched my previous video. Wow, in that video I used the Pillows base and the shimmers in my crease, they did gathered and they looked a little bit, you know, not cute. So I noticed that with this one didn't happen. I like it. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.